video is going to be a little different because I am going to post my first vlog today. I really like taking vlogs and I have a lot of videos in my phone rather than photos. So like I have taken some courage and today I'm deciding to do a little vlog. So me and my friend we are going to कफ परेड विथ एक्वा मेट्रो लाइन CST से एक्वा मेट्रो लाइन विल टेक उसके पहले हम CST से लोकल से जाएंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट विल गो टू कोलाबा फॉर लिटिल शॉपिंग एंड लेट्स सी बीच में कुछ प्लान चेंज होता है नहीं आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड Hi, so now we are going to Cuff Parade. Now we are at right now we are at local. My friend is very camera shy. She don't want to be a part of my vlog. So sad. So we'll now go to CST. From that we'll take the Aqua Metro, and from that we'll directly reach to Cuff Parade. Are you excited? Yeah. She's excited.
The CSMT metro station on Aqua Line 3 is located right below to the main Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus. It is directly accessible. There is a direct subway connecting the CSMT metro station to the main CSMT railway station.
So right now we are at Aqua Line and we are waiting for our train. We are going to Cuff Parade. This is our ticket.
This Aqua Metro is Mumbai's first fully underground metro. One thing is यहाँ पे इंटरनेट बिल्कुल नहीं चलता है हाँ बट दे प्रोवाइड यू द वाईफाई उनका खुद का वाईफाई है एंड मिनिमल क्राउड है इट्स चीप एंड नो इंटरनेट कनेक्शन सो नो डिस्ट्रैक्शंस यू कैन एक्चुअली स्पेंड टाइम विथ योर फ्रेंड्स.
So finally we reached at Cuff Parade and now हम वॉक करके वो पार्क में जाएंगे जहाँ से सी व्यू दिखता है. Welcome to Cuff Parade. We are standing in one of the city's most premium neighborhood where skyscrapers seem to compete with each other for the best Arabian sea view. Did you know Cuff Parade was actually created through land reclamation? Yep, this entire area was once under the sea. Mumbai literally said, we need more space and built it. This place is home to luxury apartments, top business executives, diplomats, and some of the most expensive real estate in India. You'll also find the iconic landmarks nearby, including the famous World Trade Center and bustling Colaba district. Despite all the luxury, there's something calming about watching the sea breeze meet the skyline. So now let's explore the city that never stops moving. We are at Cuff Parade Park and the vibe here is vibe check. Good or bad? Good. It's good. It's better than Marine Drive. It's peaceful. Marine Drive is little chaotic. I think because lot of people don't know about this place. Maybe after seeing this video, people know. So there is Marine Drive and you can see the pollution layer. This is sunset. We are not aware about this place. Do you think it's that place where Munna Bhai was shot? No idea. So from Cuff Parade now we want to go to Colaba, but we can't find any source of transport to directly reach there. हमें बस नहीं मिल रही है हमें टैक्सी भी नहीं मिल रही है. ऐसा नहीं कि हम टैक्सी से जाना नहीं चाहते, वो खुद ही बोलते कि हम नहीं चलेंगे. तो फिलहाल के लिए वी आर जस्ट वॉकिंग. विल सी कि रास्ते में अगर कुछ दिखता है तो. एंड इट शोज 29 मिनट्स फ्रॉम हियर बाय वॉकिंग. लेट्स सी. We entered the wrong bus. Someone told us that ये bus will go to Kolaba, but the moment we were in the bus, we realized that this bus will go to CST. The more confusion happened because as soon as we saw that it's a double decker bus, we were very excited and didn't think much of that. Finally got the Kali Pili. Now we are finally going to reach Kolaba Costco. And we're going to shop there. Are we going to shop something? If we like it. Yes. Finally we are at Kolaba. Chalo. Hi. So I was not knowing up till now कि यहाँ ऑर्डर आता है एंड वो ऐसे खींचते हैं. उसमें फंस के आता है एंड फिर वो खींचते हैं. वाओ. Why is there nobody here? I want to see live moment. I want to capture. I was too shy at Kolaba to shoot, so I didn't shoot there. And maybe after our food we will. And I wanted to try vada pav, desi प्यारा सा vada pav, but she forced me to have McD because उसको McD दिख के उसको कैसे दुखी हो जाता है. Especially you for that softy. Why I was making this shape? Wordless beach. No, not. So finally our day ends and मैं कोलाबा में अपना शूट नहीं कर पाई. मुझे शर्म आ रही थी थोड़ी सी. I don't know why. कैमरा शायद कोलाबा. And I am not a bargain person. वो मेरी पर्सनालिटी नहीं है. And मैं ये भरोसे पे आई थी कि मेरी दोस्त को बार्गेनिंग आती होगी. वो भी मेरी जैसी निकली. बट मैं मेरी पर्सनालिटी से बाहर निकल के जो बार्गेनिंग कर रही थी और ये लड़की वो भैया के सामने ही हंसे जा रही थी मेरे बार्गेनिंग पे. तो बताओ क्या करना चाहिए. Anyways, so our day ends well. It was a nice day. बहुत अच्छा घूमे. This is the end of our vlog. Bye bye.